Are you looking for the best multi-cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best multi-cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, 6 quart. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, 6 quart, is perfect for busy families or anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. It combines 7 appliances in one, serving as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more. With its 6 quart capacity, you can easily cook meals for up to 6 people. Enjoy cooking up to 70% faster with its smart programs and retain 90% of your food's nutritional value. The easy-release steam switch and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned cook, this versatile gadget will elevate your kitchen experience. Best for busy families and individuals seeking a versatile and efficient cooking solution. Pros: versatile functionality, combines 7 kitchen appliances into one, saving space and reducing clutter. Time-saving cooking, cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, perfect for busy schedules. Nutritional retention, retains up to 90% of the food's nutritional value, promoting healthier eating. Cons: learning curve, initial setup and use may be confusing for beginners, especially with pressure release. Size: the 6 quart capacity may be too small for larger families or meal prep for the week. Electric dependency, requires a power source, which may limit use in certain situations like camping. Number 2. MAGNIFIQUE 4 quart Claypot multi-cooker with 8-in-1 functions. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen companion that simplifies meal prep, the MAGNIFIQUE 4 quart Claypot multi-cooker with 8-in-1 functions delivers just that. This stylish olive-colored cooker features a durable aluminum body and a heat-resistant porcelain liner, making it perfect for everything from slow cooking to sautéing. With a generous 4 quart capacity, it easily handles meals for 4 or more. Enjoy one-touch presets for hassle-free cooking, and cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe components. Plus, its sleek design, large digital display, and included accessories make it a chic addition to any kitchen. Best for home cooks looking for a versatile and stylish multi-cooker that simplifies meal preparation for families or gatherings. Pros: versatile with 8 cooking functions, allowing for a wide range of dishes from soups to desserts. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe components and a non-stick coating. User-friendly design featuring one-touch presets and a large digital display for convenience. Cons: some users report issues with the lid fit, leading to concerns about sealing during cooking. Limited customization options may not satisfy all cooking preferences. The short power cord has been noted, although it is designed for safety reasons. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, 6 quarts. For busy families and meal prep enthusiasts, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, 6 quarts, stands out with its versatile cooking capabilities. This multi-cooker combines 9 functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and yogurt making, streamlining your meal prep. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can whip up everything from soups to cakes effortlessly. Its intuitive design features an easy-to-read display and a detachable power cord for convenient storage. Plus, the safety-focused easy-release steam switch guarantees you're cooking safely. Enjoy meals cooked up to 70% faster with the durable stainless steel pot, perfect for family dinners or batch cooking. Best for busy families and meal prep enthusiasts looking for a versatile and efficient cooking solution. Pros: versatile cooking capabilities with 9 functions, including pressure cooking and yogurt making. Cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, saving time in the kitchen. Intuitive design with an easy-to-read display and detachable power cord for convenient storage. Cons: the 6 quart capacity may be insufficient for larger families or gatherings. Some users may find the learning curve for using all functions to be steep. The multi-cooker may take up significant counter space in smaller kitchens. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, 6 quart. Looking for a versatile kitchen companion that can handle everything from pressure cooking to yogurt making? The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, 6 quart, is your answer. With 28 customizable smart programs, it quickly preheats and cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. The stainless steel pot is durable, easy to clean, and features a gentle steam release. Plus, it retains settings for convenience, making meal prep a breeze. Rated 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's perfect for families and those who love quick, delicious meals without the hassle. Transform your cooking experience with this reliable multi-cooker. Best for families and home cooks looking for a versatile, efficient multi-cooker that simplifies meal preparation. Pros: 28 customizable smart programs make cooking a variety of meals effortless. Durable stainless steel pot ensures long-lasting use and easy cleaning. Quick preheating and cooking times save valuable time in the kitchen. Cons: some users have reported issues with the slow cooker mode, indicating it may not perform as expected. Lacks certain functions, like air frying, which may be desired by some users. Concerns about the availability of replacement parts have been noted by a few customers. Number 5. Comfee 16-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, 8 quarts. The Comfee 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker is ideal for families and meal preppers seeking versatility and convenience in the kitchen. With an 8-quart capacity, it easily handles meals for 6 to 8 people. You'll appreciate its 16 cooking presets, covering everything from meats to yogurt. The intelligent 24-hour delay timer lets you prep meals in advance, while the stainless steel design guarantees durability. Safety features like overheat protection and a lid safety lock provide peace of mind. Users love the fast cooking results and ease of use, making it a top choice for busy households. Enjoy effortless meals with this kitchen hero. Best for families and meal preppers who need a versatile and convenient cooking solution for large meals. Pros: 16 cooking presets for a wide variety of dishes including meats, beans, and yogurt. Intelligent 24-hour delay timer allows for meal prep in advance. Safety features such as overheat protection and lid safety lock ensure secure cooking. Cons: some users report a need for more detailed instructions in the manual. Feedback suggests a desire for larger sizes, 16 to 20 quarts, for bigger meals. Weight of 16 pounds may be cumbersome for some users to handle.